imprinted on the alpha?
Oh my God, you must be kidding me.
Do you have any idea what this means? Imprinting on an alpha is like... It's like being betrothed to a king.
Okay. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't attracted to him, but...
Okay, did you complete the imprinting? Did you guys...
Ew! Okay. I think I'm gonna go home now.
No.
So you just got here. At least let me buy you one more drink. Thank you, Amelia. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't even know your name, and frankly, I don't think I want to.
Well, I'm Malachi, Alpha of the Aberdeen Pack.
Oh!
And can I have your name? Can I have your name?
I'm Chloe. A human from the human world. You smell good.
Huh?
This is insane! Falling in love with a wolf, found by some kind of wolf mojo? I must be losing my mind.
I'll see you later, Chloe. Open your eyes, baby. I want to look at you.
Hurry up and get dressed. We're gonna be late for work. This psycho again? If I find out who this is, we'll kick his ass. Hey, you okay? You barely said 2 words all day.
Yeah, I'm fine. It's nothing. Here, can you sign up on my credits?
You, still thinking about our elf?
Ever felt that electric pull you can't ignore? The dizzying rush when fate throws you a curveball? Here are 5 reasons you can't stop watching. First, that imprint bond, human and alpha wolf. Is it destiny or danger? You need to see if their connection survives. Second, the mystery caller, who's stalking Chloe, and why. The suspense is killing you. Third, will Chloe embrace her new world, or run? Her choice could change everything. Fourth, the pack's secrets, what dark truths hide behind those intense wolf eyes. Fifth, that chemistry, can they fight the inevitable or surrender to love? Don't miss out, head back to the homepage to binge all episodes and uncover every twist.